Here is why YouTube is one of the best ways to make money online. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, maybe I'm a little biased because I put out so many damn videos, but in my opinion, YouTube has got to be one of the best ways to make money online. I know a lot of people, right? Every day they wake up and they're like, they get on Google or YouTube and they search how to make money online, how to make money from home, how to make money from my computer, right? And they see all these different things, and a lot of things can work. But in my opinion, YouTube is the place to go. First reason why is it's free, all right? YouTube, all you need to do to create a YouTube channel is create a damn Gmail account, right? Once you got that, you basically have a YouTube channel. All right, at that point, all you need to do is set it up. Now, the reason why, I'm pointing out that YouTube is free, which everybody know, is because a lot of opportunities out there, it costs something. There's something to it. There's something you got to pay, whether it be a course, a software, something marketing related, website related. You got to cost something. It's free to create a YouTube channel. All right, it's free. Now, another reason is it is easy. All right. Now, of course, if you want to get into like intricacies of like video editing and creating thumbnails and video optimization, it can get crazy. But if you break it all down, it's very easy to have your own YouTube channel. You can literally, where's my phone at? You can literally have your phone, shoot a video, right? And upload it to your YouTube channel, right? That's all you really need to do at the end of the day. Now, why I point out how easy YouTube is, because once again, with so many different opportunities out there, there's huge learning curves with some of them, right? Some of them take like a lot of learning, a lot of training just to start that opportunity, where YouTube, all you really need is your phone and an idea and you good to go. So you get it, YouTube is free, YouTube is easy, but the realness of this video comes from the fact of there's so many different ways that you can make money from having a YouTube channel. All right, the first one is the most common, and that's from having ads placed on your video, right? Once your YouTube channel hits a certain milestone, I think it's like 1,000 subscribers and like 4,000 watch hours. And if you get 500 subscribers, you get like some little benefits. But ultimately, once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're going to be eligible for YouTube ads on your videos, which you will get paid for. All right. And a lot of people on YouTube are making full-time incomes from just having the ads on their videos. Now, when you get a YouTube channel and you start to get a little bit of a following, getting those views, getting those subscribers, you're probably going to be in a position to get brand deals. Now, this is where companies will actually pay you to talk about their products or services in your videos. Now, there are YouTubers out there, once again, just like YouTube ads, there are people making full-time incomes just from brand deals. All right. Think about that. Just by, basically doing what they do, but all they do is take like 2 to 3 minutes in their videos to talk about a product or service, and they're getting paid for doing this. Another way that you can make money with the YouTube channel, and probably is my favorite way, is affiliate marketing. All right. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty much where you promote somebody else's product or service, and every time you generate a sale, you get a commission. Now, depending on what you're promoting, you can get commissions anywhere from 5% to 75%, usually with digital products, right? But like the earning potential with affiliate marketing is crazy. What you want to do is every time you put out a video, you want to put your affiliate link in the description of that video. And what you want to do is direct people to that affiliate link either at the beginning, middle, or end of your videos. And hell, sometimes you don't even got to say nothing, because people will just kind of look in your description and they'll find it. Another way that you can make money from your YouTube channel is by creating and selling your own products. All right, this day and age, it's easy as hell to create your own products, whether it be, have your own Etsy store, whether you be a Kindle book publisher, whether you create your own digital course, like you can do it, right? And you can sell it on your own YouTube channel. You don't have to cut nobody in. You don't have to share commissions or nothing. You can get all the profit. So you can create a $97 course and put the link to it in the description of your videos and get $97 every sale. All right, like YouTube makes this a reality. And here's one more thing that's dope about making money with YouTube, and that is you can do it whenever you want. So you can create content however your schedule allow you to do it. If you want to do it on the weekends, you want to do it early in the mornings, maybe you be shooting videos at midnight, it doesn't matter. You can create the content and schedule it out to go out whenever you want. That's the beauty about YouTube. Now, there are some YouTubers who are making money with just using one of these methods. Then there's other YouTubers who are making money with all of these methods at the same time. But the bottom line is, if you really want to make money online, I think YouTube is one of the best ways to do it.